Hi! Hello, we're here to talk to you about the 2024 VIP Pattern Club.
Shocking, 2024 sounds like so futuristic.
Here we are already.
So if you don't know, here at So Over It we have a VIP Pattern Club. It's a very exclusive, very special membership. It's not a subscription, so you just pay £10 and that's it. You can forget about it for the rest of the year when you keep reaping the benefits. So this is
our sixth year. Yes. It's been a while.
It's been a while.
It used to be PDF Club back in the day when PDFs are all brand new thing, PDF patterns. But now it's refined to VIPs.
VIP because you are very important people. And so Rosie, do you want to talk
about what you get
through?
Indeed. So VIP Club, it's £10 for the year, and when you sign up you will get a free PDF pattern of your choice.
And the choice
is
enormous.
Hundreds in our catalogue. So if there's something you've been keeping your eye on, and most of our patterns start from £11.50, so already you saved yourself £150.
Lovely.
Not only that, there is. Should I talk about this bit? Yeah, maybe I'll wait for this.
Let's wait for because that's a special thing for this year.
Okay, so aside from the secret thing that's coming in a second, you will get 10% off our new pattern releases.
And when do you get those pattern releases?
Before everyone else.
Because you're special.
So if you want to see like ahead of the game, sort of behind the scenes type stuff, definitely the club to join. You join the Facebook group.
Yes, which is a private Facebook group. You can only get the password for that once you join the VIP club.
Because then you can talk about the things that you've seen that other people haven't.
Yes, exactly.
It's a lovely little community, isn't it?
Yeah,
lots of chat about new patterns, but also old patterns. People go on and they're like, oh, I'm thinking of making a dress with this fabric. Which ones would you recommend? It's really nice. It's lovely in there, honestly.
It is. It's a nice, supportive little place to be, isn't it? And then, so Facebook group, discounts, patterns, you get extra. So on our two biggest sales of the year, you will get even better discounts. So we'll send you a sneaky little email with a little code to use, which means you'll be getting a better sale than everyone else.
Which feels really, really good, to be honest. It's a good day.
You can buy all the fabric to make the patterns that you've got for free.
That's so true. Very nice thinking. And we should say that next year we might be doing things a little bit different.
Yes.
Right?
So our plan for next year is to release 8 dressmaking patterns as such. So 8 dress, trousers, tops, things you're going to wear. But there will also be extras in there. So you're not going to get kind of less essentially than last year because we're so over it. We do quite a lot.
We do a lot.
And we can't stop ourselves from having ideas and wanting to do them all.
So things like the bow bag. If you like those sort of extra things that we do, then we're going to be doing
very
more
grabbable
of those things.
Yeah. But it's going to be a minimum of 8 new things to wear.
Yes, that's very nice. Yeah. And also, because you get the early release of our new patterns, you get your little 10% discount on the new pattern. You also often get kits that we only do for the VIPs, because we always do a limited amount of them. So we started in 2023 releasing them to the VIPs, and no one else got to even see them. They didn't even know they existed. Right?
There's been quite a few secret ones.
And when we do new fabrics, especially So Over It fabrics, the VIPs will get to access them first. So there's lots of, if you like, as Chloe said, the behind the scenes, if you like the kind of being in the know, in the So Over It land, world, universe, metaverse.
In our world.
In our world.
We like it here. Then come and join us.
Yeah, come and join us in the VIP Pattern Club. And then to bring something new to the club this year, what do we have? Do you want to talk about it?
Yes, for all our VIP members, on top of everything we've already said, you also get a free pattern, which is something we may be wearing right now.
So this is the Adelle Top. It's a jersey top, a knit, pattern with this beautiful scoop. And shall we turn around? Da-da-da. It's slightly sexy, but very comfortable.
It is.
And it can be super casual, or it can be a bit dressy, like Rosie is wearing.
I've got my glittery
So
jersey
pretty.
on, and I love it.
So good.
So fancy.
And
Really
it just
fancy.
goes with absolutely everything. Every
Yes.
pattern of bottle. So I've got the Selena skirt on.
Which was the VIP pattern in 2023.
So
Now people will have to buy it. So if you were a VIP last year, well done, you got that for free. And this year you get this. And I'm wearing it with the ultimate trousers. It's very nice for high-waisted things.
And and I've got my Ava skirt on, which is perfect for. But we've sort of designed it as the ultimate sew over it companion kind of thing, didn't we?
Companion is a good word.
So that if you've got some sew over it bottoms,
this
then
will go
it's
with
going to
it.
go with it.
And we've just done, it's pretty much one version in terms of necklines, but you can do it with long sleeves or elbow.
Elbow length sleeves, just above the elbow.
yeah, mine are a bit shorter actually. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I like that
Yeah.
actually.
Yeah.
Nice. And we've got, I think, is yours cotton jersey?
Yeah, this is cotton jersey.
Mine's cotton jersey. I've made one in bamboo jersey, which is so soft.
Salma's one at the photo shoot
rib?
was a rib.
Yes.
It's like
That's
maybe
nice.
tencel or something like that.
Lovely.
Delightful.
Yours is the mystery
Mine
knit.
is my mystery polyester wonder.
Beautiful.
So it
So
works
as
a
long
lot.
as it's stretchy and thick, I would
Exactly.
say you can make yourself an Adelle top. It's I think this is a really beautiful
It's
line.
very nice.
Yeah,
very
it just
elegant.
elevates a t-shirt, really,
Yeah,
doesn't it?
it
'Cause
is.
We've got the sort of ultimate t-shirt
Yeah.
as the basics, but this one just feels a bit fancier.
Special, right?
So yeah, you can put on a nice skirt and heels and feel like you're
Fancy
you're party,
but
you're ready to go.
You are definitely ready for the party, honestly. But so this is the new thing for our VIP Club 2024, the Adelle top. You will only get it if you join the club. So if you like it, you're basically paying £10 for this, another free pattern of your choice, and all the perks that we mentioned before. So I don't know what's stopping you from getting it, if I'm completely honest.
I don't know what else can go there.
And basically, once you join, you can join at any time in the year, but of course, you'll get the most out of the membership the earlier you join, because that's more pattern releases that you'll get a discount on, more sales, and all of that. So really, you want to join straight away. You want to get this printed. You want to sew it up in basically an hour, I think.
Yeah.
And once you've made one, you'll make several. I've made 3 already. Not counting the samples, you've probably made 4.
Something like that.
I've made
Me
two.
too.
I've made two.
We're addicted, so we hope that you will be as well.
I keep wearing it as well. I had to suspend
I know you were yesterday.
I was like, oh dear.
It's because it's so comfy, but so pretty as well.
Yeah.
I love it. And we've made lots of plain ones, well, sparkly ones, but I think in a print as well.
Yeah,
They're really
gorgeous
cute.
in a print,
Really
yeah.
cute in a print. And if you want to share yours once you've made it, and believe me, you will make it very fast, you can use the hashtag SOI Adelle Top. Adelle with 2 L's. Like the French spelling.
Yes.
We decided she's an elevated top, she needs an elevated name. But just to recap, £10 for the VIP Pattern Club membership 2024, and you get
Free pattern of your choice.
woo to choose from, like 200, something like that by this point. So many.
Even if there's just a pattern you fancy or out of our catalogue, it would be
Worth
more. Yeah, it would be better to buy VIP Club and
then
get
get
it
the
as a free
pattern that
pattern
way.
than to buy it on its own. Free
top.
Adelle Top pattern. Facebook group access to a lovely, lovely community of VIP sewers where you will see all the patterns first, all the versions, a nice little intro to each pattern that no one else gets to see.
We do an extra little video for every new release. That's very
it.
true.
You will get
Early access.
early access, discounts
releases.
to our
Discounts.
releases,
Deep
extra
discounts.
discounts in the sales.
Yeah.
And that's it.
I think that's it.
Which is
and
a lot.
quite often just stuff that we go, maybe the VIPs would like to hear
Yes,
about
we do
this.
that. We do that.
Oh, and kits.
And
Early
kits,
access to kits.
exclusive kits. Quite often we might make have some of our sample fabrics in stock that we use for
Yeah.
samples, and they go to the VIPs, and no one else gets them.
And no one else gets to even see them.
Yeah.
Which feels very special. So all of that for £10. It's amazing, to be fair. So we really hope that you fancy joining us. We have a lot of exciting things coming in 2024, and we can't wait to share them with everybody, but with our VIPs first. So we'll put the link below for you to join the VIP Pattern Club 2024, and any other details will be below. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll be back very, very soon. Bye.
Bye.